Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Greetings everyone, myself Divyanshi.
I, Sandhuja, from 9C, Ramdas International School.
The art of rising even when the tide is against you.
Before we start the experiment, let us understand what buoyancy refers to. In simple terms, buoyancy is the ability of an object to float, sink or rise in a given liquid. Scientifically, buoyancy is the force that rises from the pressure exerted on an object in a liquid.
To demonstrate buoyancy in our experiment, we'll be needing a glass, honey, oil, color, a plastic cap, some grapes, water, spoon, sponge and a metal piece.
Let us begin the experiment by adding water to the glass, which has a density of 1 gram per centimeter cube. Next, we will add honey, which has a density of 1.4 gram per centimeter cube. To show the difference between water and honey, we are adding a color to the water.
Now when oil is added to the glass, it separates. Why does this happen? This happens because of the different densities.
Honey, having the highest density among all the three liquids, settles at the bottom of the glass, whereas oil, having the least density, which is less than that of water, floats on water.
Now to make it more understandable and clear, I'm going to show you what buoyancy actually means using some props. So, I have a cup of water and I'm going to put this ball inside it. And as you can see, it floats over water. Why does it even float? It, as stated by Sindhuja earlier, buoyancy is the ability of an object to float over any fluid. Now that we are on the same page about buoyancy, let's see it in action.
Firstly, a metal piece, which has the highest density. As you can see, a metal piece having the highest density sinks to the layers of oil, water and honey, settling at the bottom of the glass. Next, a grape. A grape having less density as compared to that of metal sinks to the layers of oil and water, settling on top of honey.
Now, when we add a plastic cap, it slowly sinks right through the layer of oil and settles at the top of water. Now, lastly, when we add the sponge, it floats over the oil as it has vacant spaces which allows the air to pass through. It has a less amount of density.
With this, we conclude our experiment. Thank you.